So we are back with this week is his David's Transgressions. We have his triumphs, political, spiritual, military. Guys, now we're going to do David's transgressions. And unfortunately, like a lot of great men, it's a woman that takes them down. But thank God he knows how to get back up. So I am going to draw out some of his transgressions, and then I'm going to put it on fast forward so you can see me draw it out, and then we'll come back and summarize that. So we are here, we are back, and I am finished a page. You see some smears on it, but that's okay, it's all good. So, what do we want to say? Well, this is David's transgression, pretty much in chapter 11, where we see him watching Bathsheba take a bath. He's looking down and he sees her, and he lusts after her, which of course we know is a sin. She's naked. And he lusts after her, and I can't draw people with clothes on, so I can't draw people naked. So I just put a lot of hair on her to cover up her body, because of course, like I said, I'm not an artist and don't proclaim to be, but you never know, Lord can change that with practice. Maybe one day I'll become one. Anyway, I'm just trying to illustrate teaching points. So anyway, with this, as we see, he's lusting. Then we see the murder of